Hi, I'm Ula Robertson Nuemann and I'm chef and owner of At Your Service and My Catering, located in Rockland County, New York. Today I will show you how to make gluten-free cheese pasta casserole with chicken. Gluten-free is very popular nowadays. A lot of people choose to be gluten-free, but a lot of people need to be gluten-free. People with celiac disease and people with gluten and wheat allergies. So there's a lot of products out there, and thank God we have pasta now in gluten-free pasta now in almost every supermarket. And here's how it looks. So as you can see, the pasta looks superficially almost like any regular pasta, but if you come a little closer, you see these dark speckles in here. This is buckwheat flour, which is a darker flour, and it's also made with other flours, rice flours and the such, but it tastes really good. And here's what we need for it. So in addition to the pasta, we need the following ingredients. Half an onion chopped up, 1 clove of garlic chopped up. This is the chicken breast cut in pieces. Some spinach sauteed in olive oil with garlic, half a cup of tomatoes, half a cup of feta cheese, salt and pepper, oregano and some scallions. Okay, in goes a little bit of olive oil. I would say about 2 tablespoons. In go the onions. The garlic. And the pasta. Okay. Pasta is coated with oil. The chicken. Spinach. Tomatoes, salt and pepper, and oregano. Okay, so all the ingredients are now hot and ready to go in the ramekins. So I fill the pasta in the ramekins, and this time I chose personal size ramekins. Okay. Oops. Top goes the cheese. Okay, a little bit of olive oil on top, and these babies are ready to go in the oven. So the casserole has been in the oven for about 15 minutes, and the cheese is nice and brown, and the tomatoes gave their juice into the dish. So I like to top it with scallions. And voila, here you have it, gluten-free cheese pasta casserole with chicken. Sehr lecker.